experience of the past, technique of today, our hopes for the future into it. We have combined the blue of seas, green of mountains, and the sweat of our brows in one color, and have turned to become İÇDAŞ. We have become a comrade of hard work and efforts, production, employment, and future hopes of people. We have combined the dawn of faith, endeavors and efforts, solidarity and determination in the glow of steel. İçDAŞ, one of the largest companies in Turkey, apart from steel production, also engages in energy production, shipyard services, dry dock and ship management, port management, land and railroad transportation. The significant contribution of İÇDAŞ's Çanakkale Biga Değirmencik integrated facilities to our country in earning a place among the first 7 countries in the world in raw steel production is being strengthened by the international awards that it wins almost every year. İçDAŞ, a steel manufacturer accredited throughout the world, certified to be an important contributor to universal sustainability, as certified by ISO 14001 and many other certifications, produces steel for nuclear applications and nuclear power plants in the steel industry in Turkey for the first time, and exports steel to 130 countries worldwide. İçDAŞ, which produces approximately 4% of Turkey's total power generation capacity, is one of the pioneering companies that helps our energy sector become independent. İçDAŞ, apart from generating power for its own and group companies' operational purposes, also puts excess power it generates into the grid. İçDAŞ is the native and new model of independency in energy. İçDAŞ, the excellent example of sustainable development across the world and of the green economy in Turkey, is one of the most reputable enterprises in the energy league. İçDAŞ, having one of the largest private sector ports in our country, which is surrounded by the seas on 3 sides, makes a significant contribution to our country's maritime trade to become more powerful. İçDAŞ's shipyard, which is one of the leading shipyards in Europe in terms of size and capacity, provides a significant added value to the economy of the country with its rapidly developing structure and with its foreigner customers accounting for approximately 95% of its customer base. İçDAŞ's shipyard determines the appropriate course of action for the production rate, customer satisfaction, and priority in quality. İçDAŞ, in its 370 by 70 meter long and 10 meter deep dry dock facility, which is the biggest in the Mediterranean basin, provides maintenance and repair services to vessels from all over the world. The quality secret of İçDAŞ lies in continuous technological development, placing customer satisfaction as the highest priority, engagement of employees, and ensuring full compliance with the quality and product standards on a global basis. İçDAŞ has the pride of elevating of Turkey's position in a global competition to a prestigious level with its quality management system philosophy focused on high added value production. İçDAŞ brand is accredited by several global and national certifications, including ISO 9001 Quality, ISO 14001 Environment, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety, ISO 17025 Laboratory Accreditation, and ISO 50001 Energy Management. İçDAŞ, which meets today's needs without compromising the ability of future generations to the same, in other words, without consuming the future, has been reporting its place in sustainability in accordance with the Global Reporting Initiative (GRI) standards since 2010. İçDAŞ businesses help to preserve the environment and balance the economic development with its emission, wastewater management, and recycling facilities. İçDAŞ, which meets all water needs including drinking water by desalinating seawater and pioneering in this respect not only in our country but in the whole world, allocates 88% of its environmental expenses for reducing emissions and preservation of the environment. To help the socio-cultural sustainability of the region, İÇDAŞ increases its investments in education and culture. The schools and other education facilities that İÇDAŞ established in Çanakkale, Biga, and Lapseki are changing the destiny of the region. İÇDAŞ's sports facilities reinforce the positions of local athletes in representing the country in international competitions. A total of 350 licensed athletes, including sailors, swimmers, windsurfers, basketball players, and archers, are the stars of tomorrow. İÇDAŞ is the innovative locomotive of agriculture and animal husbandry sector in the region. İÇDAŞ established the third seed bank of Turkey in Çanakkale, aiming to liberate the country from dependence on import of seed, production, and products from abroad. İÇDAŞ, being the main sponsor of archaeological excavations conducted in the region, is the only company sponsoring 6 major archaeological excavations carried out simultaneously across the world, combines yesterday's history with today. İÇDAŞ takes decisive and firm steps forward to build a more livable world, adhering to the principle that the greatest value is to produce and to create employment.